Yeah, it's Sunday. We've got a massive amount of rain. This is terrible. Flooding is real bad. I can't show you over there on the other side of the white truck, but it's a lake. I'm ready. We're ready to hit it. To start pumping the water away from the house. But I have a massive amount of rain coming down right now. And the barn side of the house isn't faring any better. As you can see, the rain and the wind is coming out of the north, though it shows it on the radar as coming out of the south. So I have no idea what in the hell is wrong with this picture. But it is bad. As you can see, I've got some rain over there now starting to flood in front of the goat barn. We have lightning. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. I mean, even just the straight lawn is good. I can't even open this door. I'm gonna get soaked. So that's out. Just trying to see through all this crap. Well, shit. I'm gonna get wet, folks. I got no choice. It's getting worse, not better. I'll have to wait till this stops. Then I got to go out to that barn to get the other pipe. Oy, 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 oy. Let's hope this lets up soon. Doesn't sound like it though. Hey.